Looking for the best handheld vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 handheld vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Dirt Devil Scorpion Handheld Vacuum. The Scorpion has a dirt cup that can be emptied easily. It has a powerful motor with good suction and comes with hose and dust brush attachments. Holds up well with daily use in most households. Has a flip-down crevice tool for small spaces. Does well picking up dry messes. While praised for its lightweight design, the Scorpion is surprisingly powerful and capable. The motor is very loud, and there isn't a spot provided on the vacuum to wrap the cord. At number 2. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. Transparent dirt bowl lets you know exactly when it's time to empty. Wide mouth nozzle covers a fairly large area. Comes with a brush and crevice tool for hard to reach areas. Has a wall mount design and a small footprint for easy storage. Comfortable to hold and operate. Besides being a high-value buy, it earns high marks for its lightweight design. Battery life is much shorter than expected, so it's best for small cleanups. At number 1. Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. Packs dual cyclonic airstreams in a lightweight model. Large dirt cup is easy to empty without coming into contact with debris. Self-cleaning brush roll prevents pet hair tangles. Comes with a trio of tools for different cleaning tasks. Offered at mid-range price. This lightweight vacuum makes cleaning up pet messes a quick and easy task. Suction is average. Battery takes up to 6 hours to get a full charge. Noisy. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.